Serious sickness, and Ohio is leading the nation in whooping cough cases. Good afternoon. I'm Gabrielle Enright.
I'm Cheryl McHenry. James Brown is on special assignment. The latest CDC data shows Ohio has reported 538 cases just this year. That's 100 more than New York State. There have been more than 3,300 cases nationwide.
News Center 7's Kayla McDermott is live in Montgomery County, where cases, they've tripled last year's numbers. Kayla.
Yes, here in Montgomery County, we have the highest number of whooping cough cases out of the entire Miami Valley. And as we look out over the Dayton skyline here, the CDC says that this disease is very contagious and people can and are spreading it even when they don't know they have it.
It's definitely a concern for me.
The speed in which the disease is spreading is also a concern for health officials.
And there's been 33 cases within the last 3 months.
So far this year, Public Health says there have been at least 47 cases in Montgomery County, way up compared to last year's total of 13. The most at risk
Can be fatal, particularly in babies or very young children.
Like Mandy Swenberg's 3 kids.
We are lucky we have not ever had it before.
Her children are between 1.5 to 3 years old.
That I can keep my kids a little bit safer than taking them to germy places, but we like to be outside as much as possible.
While her kids have never had the hacking cough.
That whoop whoop sound.
As a former second grade teacher, she is familiar with the disease.
I had a student or two that had it, but I was fortunate enough to just have isolated incidents.
And takes the steps needed to stay safe.
Clorox wipes, lots of hand sanitizer.
If anyone ever felt sick, anything like that, keep them home.
Oh yeah, definitely.
Staying away from others is exactly what Dan Cefaletto with Public Health advises.
You stay home when you're sick until you determine what that sickness is and you can get it treated.
As well as getting vaccinated.
Vaccinations for babies, also vaccination for pregnant women. So there are steps you can take.
Now, I talked to a local daycare here who is also aware of whooping cough, and they said they're doing everything they can to stay clean and telling parents to keep kids home if they have any symptoms. But now, even though whooping cough mainly impacts younger children, there are cases that have been reported here of people testing positive as old as 81 years old. Reporting live, Kayla McDermott, News Center 7.
Kayla, thank you. The symptoms of whooping cough can be hard to detect because they're similar to the common cold, but unlike a cold, the coughing can last for weeks, even months. Other symptoms include a runny nose, fever, sleep apnea, and struggling to breathe.